Hello YouTube, so in this video we're going to do a PC build. So this PC, it only costs 204 euros, so it's extremely cheap and you can game all your Minecraft, Team Fortress and all these. I think it will not run GTA 5, I think it's only with low graphics, it might run it, but it certainly does run Minecraft and all your other a bit lightweight games on medium settings. So first of all we got the CPU AMD A66-400K. So this CPU is clocked at 3.9 GHz and it's a socket FM2 CPU. So it will go in FM2 and FM2 plus motherboards. Technology isn't the newest, but it's still really good. And also it has integrated graphics, as we do not have a graphics card in this build, and the integrated graphics will run your games. It's quite good, so it will run most of your games you throw it. And for the hard drive we went with a Western Digital Blue 1 TB hard drive. This is a SATA hard drive and it has 64 megabytes of buffer size, and it has the basic spindle speed and everything. So this is a really good hard drive, and it will store all your games and other stuff like your OS and everything, as we do not have an SSD in this build. And for the RAM we have 4 GB Crucial Ballistics Sport. This is only 4 GB and this will not do heavy multitasking, but this will be enough for your games. This is 1600 megahertz, so that's decent clock speed. You can also buy a little bit faster RAM, 1866 megahertz, as the CPU supports that for maximum, and that will give you a boost in games, but we just chose this because I don't know. For the case we got the TechSolo TC85S. This is a good case. I have it now also on my PC build I have now, and it's really good. It comes with the reliable power supply. It's not 80+ rated, so that's not the best, but it's reliable. It hasn't shut down like suddenly. So, and this is a really good ATX case. And for the last but not least, the motherboard Biostar A58MD. So this has all your sockets you need for this build. You can get many hard drives if you want to upgrade. Also this supports FM2 plus CPUs if you want to upgrade, and many graphics cards, as this can support the new PCIe 3.0, which is really good if you want to upgrade your PC. And overall this is quite a reliable motherboard, and it has all your ports you need for this APU. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it. Comment down below if you want me to make new PC builds also for the US, as this is for the Europe in the hardware version. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.